Okay, this rascal got away from me yesterday, and I'm going to see how close I can get to him. But it is a stork of some sort, a kingfisher maybe? Not sure, but I got him in the picture, so I'm going to try to... No, come on. I'm going to try to approach him, but I've got my picture, so he can do what he wants now. Well, he will anyways. But let's go get him. I'm gonna keep rolling. We'll do the camera thing. Okay. All right. Somebody is on the other side of him, so he's probably going to be looking at him, and he won't even see me. I'll sneak up surreptitiously, and let's get another look at him. Where are you, buddy? Oh, there you are. There you are. Oh, yeah. See, this is not so good. I don't like the little TV. I like the viewfinder. I'm sorry it's going so, let's get back in again. Come on, buddy. I am invisible. You can't see me or sense me. I'm just a blip on the radar. I'm not colorful at all. Come on. Let's have some nature photography going on here. I'm sure that you enjoy it as much as I do. Okay, let's try it from here. Still kind of far. He is actually only about, what, maybe 30 yards away? Doesn't look like he's having much luck with it. Okay. Now is where he's probably going to take off, because I'm a big ugly stick figure who can't fly, so he has the definite advantage over me. But I'm also a human being, and I extinct species like there's no tomorrow, so I have the advantage over him any day of the week. Damn. Nope. See, I'm really sorry about this, folks. I'd love to get a picture of him doing his thing, which he is doing his thing. He's just standing there. And now we're about 20 yards away. What am I doing? See if we can get a nice headshot here. And I don't mean that in a bad way, like... Got a nice little tail there, eh? That. Ah, boy. Whatever, let's go back. Okay, now we're going to go for broke, because I'm just going to stand here a little bit. I'm going to pause this.